my story, it's sad but true.
Welcome to my YouTube video model building, Mark's modeling. This is my first episode or webisode or whatever you're going to call it, video. And we're doing the Enterprise, the smaller version, the 652 scale, 1/652. We're going to be putting strip lighting in it, and have a stand for it. Plus I have the nacelle lights from DLM. I have, oh no, that's not from that. DLM gave me, I got the Bizarre, the clear Bizarre collectors from DLM. I got the lighting for the nacelles, the warp engines, rotates counterclockwise and clockwise. I got them from Tenor Controls. I'd like to give a shout out to Simon Merckx from the Kit Factory, Steve Neal from SNG, Steve Neal's Garage, and Boyd from TrekWorks. I don't know Boyd's last name, so, but them three people got me back into it, so I want to thank them. Thank my wife for putting up with me, and hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, I'm priming it. I'm priming it black this time because I want it to be a little dark but not too dark when I put the gray on it. So, turned out pretty good, kind of smooth right now. I'll take some sand, 600 grade or something, maybe 1000 grade, go over it, smooth it all out. Did have one little problem on that, I don't know if you can see it, but there was a piece of hair there and I messed up and tried to take it off. Got it all messed up. So, we'll be alright. As you can see, I got it all primed. Still have to do the underside white to reflect the lights. There's a few spots that are kind of messed up. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right there, there's a spot I got to sand, and the same thing, there's a dimple right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. My mess up on the bottom saucer, bottom part of the saucer, turned out alright. I still got to fill in the holes. I don't know why them 3 holes are there, but as you see, I got to do that. Everything else turned out alright. My Bizarre rings. I wasn't sure if I needed to light block them or not. Probably. I think I did. I light blocked everything else. With the flat black, I still got, like I said, put the white in it. See? I still got to figure out a way to put the, light the neck up. Other than that, she's ready to go. Landing bay or shuttle bay. Yep, ready to go. Alright, here's the deal. I'm wearing gloves because I might be allergic to this squadron putty. Did it once before without the gloves and it broke out, so I don't know if it was this or something else I was using. Taking no chances. But we're going to fill these 3 holes. And I'll cut and put the camera right on the model so you can see that. Alright. Now, probably doing this all wrong, but I think the camera's in view there. This is the way I'm going to fill it. I'm just going to dab it right in there. Kind of wash it down. might take more than one. Coat or time doing it, I don't know what you call it. This little stuff here that just stripped off, we're going to use on the nacelle. There's that little dimple right there. There's it. Right there. Yeah, that's a good shot of that dimple. That didn't fill it. Don't get hard on me. I notice this squadron putty gets hard quick. So we're going to dab some on there. And we'll just let that dry. And we're going to take off the gloves. You can see, got a little bit right there. Wondering if maybe some paper towel would get that off. We're gonna try it. Ooh, that smacked good. I just stretched the paint. I'm gonna have to sand that. Yep. Well, handy dandy 600 grade. Actually, I think it's like 800 grade. A little wetness now. Almost there. Just do it until it feels smooth. That's all we can do. It's not bad. Now for that little spot right there, we're going to just lightly sand over it. Sand it right on out of there. The whole thing's got to be sanded again anyway before I put the coat of white on. Just trying to figure out what color to paint it. I was thinking white with maybe a hint of... Yeah, I got black paint under the gray. Maybe white with a hint of blue. Like a duck's egg blue or something. But I decided I'd just go with white. Nice smooth to the touch. Both areas. That's got to dry. Takes about a half hour for that stuff to dry. And then we can sand and everything. I can see right now that one's got a little dimple that, so we're going to be working on that. Fill that in nice and tight. Then I got to scribe all these little lines back in. Whether you can see them or not. Little lines, little center lines. I have to scribe them in. Right about the putty. That's still a little rough. good thing is there's no, what do you call it, detail line in right there. Yeah, that'll work. I think paint covered that. Okay. And that's that. Alright. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Video number 1. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments and all that. Alright. Thank you.